Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to install IntelliJ into your laptop. So let's get started. So the first step always that we need to do is to download the IntelliJ. So basically you can go to browser, just Google IntelliJ IDEA download and click the first link that will open. Okay, so basically here we need to we have two options. Basically one is the ultimate edition and another one is community edition. So based on like whichever you wanted to have, you can download the edition that you wanted to install. But basically just to give you some information that ultimate it's like a it is free only for 30 days. After that you have to pay for it, but basically it has some more features that are not there in the community edition. Like you see here, the profiling tools are not available, the inbuilt support for the Spring, Java, EE, Micron. Then a couple of things are they are giving as an add-on into the ultimate edition. So what we are going to do in this particular tutorial is we are going to download the community edition. So I have started the download of this particular edition, so it might take a couple of minutes to download. So why we have so I would like to talk a couple of things about the IntelliJ IDEA, that why it is being preferred as the most favorable IDE in the developer community, is because it is pretty much smart and it really makes the life of a developer very easy. And there are many facilities like in terms of auto formatting of your code, then the basically modularization, and then there are very couple of very necessary add-ons are also available that are readily available as a add-on applications into this particular IDE. For example, like let's say you wanted to have the integration with the SonarQube, which is mainly used for the code coverages or test case evaluation. Basically how much amount of code that has been covered in the test case. So those kinds of add-on features that are easily those can be integrated with the IntelliJ IDEA. And there are a couple of more what we can say intelligence are also inbuilt with the IntelliJ. So basically there are many things that are really if we can use them in a proper way, then that will really make the life of a developer very easy. Okay, so with this said, the software is downloaded. So let's go ahead and let's see, it has downloaded here in the downloads, and let's run this DMG file. Okay, so it is just extracting that particular thing. So whenever you will extract or double click onto this DMG file, then what it is going to do is it is going to basically give you this particular IntelliJ's icon that you just have to drag and drop onto the applications part. Okay, and this way the installation of this particular thing is completed. It will just copy this particular app, IntelliJ app, into the application, and now it is ready to use basically. So if you just can type here IntelliJ IDEA C is community edition, and it is going to open it for you. Okay, so here you just have to click open. If you wanted to have some kind of notification, then you can just click allow, and here is the ID that is useful. Okay, just click continue, don't send. And there are two basically themes are available. If you are a fan of a dark theme, then you can select this. If you wanted to have it like a light theme, then you can set this. So basically I usually use the dark theme, so I'm going to see this particular thing. So, and let's go ahead to see how it looks like. Okay, so here is the way the IntelliJ IDEA is been installed, and there are a couple of things that you can do from here, that you can start creating the new project. If you have some existing project with you, then you can just open or import those projects into IntelliJ using this particular option. Okay, so this is how we can install IntelliJ onto any of the operating system. Like I have a MacBook, so I have installed it, or I have downloaded the application setup for the MacBook. So based on the operating system you are using, let it be a Windows or any Linux flavor, you can download the appropriate setup of the IntelliJ and you can install it the way we just have seen. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next tutorial.